Good morning, everyone. Now, today again, I am going to discuss on some related questions of the degree and grade measurements, and I have written here some questions which is related to the degree and grade measures of an angles. Now, first we discuss on question number 1. Now look here. Here one number. First of all, you understand the question by reading 2-3 times. First we clear the questions. What is your question say? Yes. Now your question says, find the angles of a triangle. Find the angles of a triangle in degree which are in the ratio. Here your question demand. Find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio, which are given in the ratio. Here we have a triangle, yes, A, B, C. Now look here. Here we have given angles of triangle in ratio 1:2:3. Yes, this is the given. These are the angles in the ratio. Yes, let the angles of triangle B x, 2x and 3x. Yes, let the angles of the triangles be x, 2x and 3x. That is, angle A is equal to x, angle B is equal to 2x and angle C is equal to 3x in triangle ABC. If we use the triangle, then we have here this angle suppose x, this angle 2x and this angle 3x. Okay? And we know that the sum of angles of the triangle in the degree measurements on the 80 degree, you write here. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal what? You know, sum of the angles of the triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle is, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You know, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And here we have angle A, x plus, this is 2x plus 3x is equal to what? 180 degree. Now getting this out we have 6x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 6. We have here 40 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 40 degree. Okay. First, you should find the value of x. Now, therefore, angle A is equal to what is the value of angle A? X. This is 30 degree. Angle B is equal to what does it represent angle B? 2f. 2 into 30 degree is equal to 60 degree, and angle C represent 3x. 3 into 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Hence, required angles of a triangle in degree are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You know. Now look here. Hence, first you should let the angles be according to ratio x, 2x and 3x. And that is, if we use their triangle ABC, then let angle x represent A represent 2x, C represent 3x. Now angle A plus B plus C is already degree. We already read in geometry. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree in degree, and you put the value A, B, C here and solve for x. We get the value x equals 30 degree, and here angle A represent x, the 30 degree. B represent 2x, 2 into 30 degree. C 3x, 3 into 30 degree. We have here 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These all are the required angles of a triangle in the degree measurements. In this way, we easily find the angles of the triangle in the degree. Okay. Now we complete question number 1, and now look at in question number 2. First we read the question. All of you, my dear friends, read this question. What is the question say? Read this question. Your question says find any two angles. There is not indicate the triangles. Find any two angles in the degree whose sum is 50 degree and difference is 40 degree. Your question says you find any two angles whose sum is 50 degree and difference is 40 degree. Now look at 2 number solution. Let two angles be. Let two angles be x and y in degree. Yes, let two angles be x and y in degree. By first condition, we have, by the first condition, your question says sum is 50 degree. The x plus y is equal to 50 degree. That is with first, and by second condition, we have x minus y. You know the difference 40. And by the second condition, there is difference is 40 degree. Yes, difference is 40 degree. Now you solve these two equations. Now I am going to solve. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get, if we add these two equations, then one value removed from here, we get the equation in the one value. We can easily find. Now look at x plus y is equal to 50 degree, x minus y is equal to 40 degree. These two are cancelled. 2x is equal to, we have 64 degree, x is equal to 32 degree. Yes, you should find in this way the value of x. Now putting x is equal to 32 degree in any equation 1, we have 32 plus y is equal to 50 degree, y is equal to 50 degree minus 32 degree. So y is equal to, we have here 18 degree. You know, hence required two angles in degree are, one is 32 degree and another is 18 degree. In this way, you find the two angles if there is given sum and difference. And if your question say if we have sum is this much and difference is this much, and then you find the angles in the grade, first you should find the angles in the degree by condition, and at last you should convert here in the grade. You know the formula, you use 1 degree is equal to first 10 by 9 grade and convert this. Okay, right on. Now we complete this. I am going to solve here. Now look here. Here two angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5, and the third angle is 60 degree. Find the angles in the degree. I am going to give a hint. This is your homework. Yes. Now look here. Let the two angles be 3x and 5x. So if we have the triangle ABC, then one angle is 3x, another is 5x, and one angle already given here 60 degree. And your question says find the angles. Find the angles. And this is angles. Find the angles in degree, and you find the angles in the degree. Same as example number 1. There is all angles in the ratio. There is only two angles in the ratio. One angle is given. And I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 3. This is your homework. Now here in question number 4, we have in 4 number. Here we have given. Let the triangle ABC. Here we have let ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle in which we have one angle of a triangle is 3/5 of a right angle. Yes, you know. In which we have angle A is equal to 3/5 of right angle. You know what is the value of right angle? 90 degree. 3 into 7 degree. Okay. Right down. And another angle B is equal to, another angle is also given here. Another angle is 2/3 of right angle. So and here we have this angle is 54 degree, and I am going to find angle B. This is 2/3 of right angle. Here we have 2/3 into 90 degree. You know, 2 into 40 degree. Then we have here 60 degree. And your question says find the third angle in the grades. You should find the third angles in the grades. Angle C is equal to what? Now you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. You know the sum of all angles. Here you write the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Where angle A is 54 degree, this is 60 degree, and you should find angle C. The angle C is equal to 180 degree minus this is 140 degree. Subtract angle C is equal to 6, and here 7 minus 1, there is also 6. Yes, 6 degree. Okay, write down. All of you write down. And your question demand find the angles in the grades. You know, find the angles in the grades. So we know that now we have angle C is equal to 66 degree, and 66 into 1 degree. What is the value of 1 degree? When we write in the grades, then we have 10/9. You know, 10/9. Now it is in grade. when we multiply by 10 by 9, then degree convert in the grade. So here we have 22, yes, and 220 by 3 grades. This is angle C, which is the required. You know, in this way, first you should convert in the degree, and then you write it in grade. You can easily express in the grades. Multiply by 10 by 9, we have in grades. In this way, you find the angles of a triangle in degree as well as in grades. And last question, this is last question. Your question says find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 3:4:5 in the grades. You know, your question says find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 3:4:5 in the grades. Now this is also your homework. Now listen here. For this question, I am going to give you means first you find all the angles in the degree same as question 1. Here 1 and 5, these two are same. Only there is difference. Here your question says find angles in the degree. Then your question says find angles in the grade. So first you should find the angles in the degree, and at last in this way you convert all angles in the grades. In this way you should convert all angles in the grade. First you should find all angles in the degree, and one by one at last you convert in this way by multiplying 10 by 9 with the grades. And this is your homework for today, only this much. And here question number 3 and 5, this is your homework for today. Thank you, all of you.